we are at Lumiere Log. Ding, 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 ding.
I can feel my feet.
Go on. Is Josh in my light? How are we looking, Baz? Taz?
Ready to go, Baz? You recording, Baz? Got the audio sorted? I'm testing the limits of Baz's capacity.
What?
I had a bad face. I wasn't happy.
Can't fix that face. Okay. Hey, what's up everyone? Lumiere Log number 26. This is the wrap up for 2019. We're 26 logs in after roughly 18 months. So, we're coming at you just to say thank you. That was your line.
My line. We want to say thank you to all the clients that have journeyed with us this year and even last year. It's been a really, really exciting process and journey growing the company, and we could not have done it without all of your support, believing in us. We're just a small team, and as some of you would have realized that we do the best we can with what we have, and we're just so thankful for you believing in us. And thank you again. I think I've said thank you 4 times.
Well, it would suggest that you're grateful.
Yeah, I'm very grateful.
Very grateful.
Thank you.
Yeah. We've done some of our biggest productions to date. We've got some great clients on board, and this year has been a really amazing year in terms of what we have achieved, and it's all because of the clients that have been able to support us. So again, from both of us, we're extremely grateful and have a lot of gratitude to you guys to support it, for supporting us and letting us pursue our dreams.
Yeah, it's pretty exciting and pretty amazing to be able to do what we love every single day with a growing team. And leading into next year, we're excited about further developments, further expansion on the horizon, and if you could bear with us for another year, we'd love to take you on that journey. So again, thank you for journeying with us this year, last year. I think we're a little bit more than 18 months through the journey. It's been an awesome year. Obviously, massive highlight for the team was winning the Nelson Business Awards and moving into this space, 15 Bridge Street. And we've just got really, really exciting plans for next year. We've locked in a few jobs already come January, and we're really hoping that we can keep this thing growing, keep it buzzing, and add value to Nelson City and beyond.
Wow. We're
Beautiful.
in unison.
That's lovely.
So there we have it. We wish everyone behind this camera and wherever you may be watching this, we wish you a very happy Christmas, happy New Year, and we hope that your tummies stay full, you get good time with your family, and we look forward to sharing whatever we are doing in the new year.
We're back January 7th or 6th or 7th. We're back, and hopefully be back with a few more logs.
Well, our staff are working through the holidays, right?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, Danielle lives here now.
Yeah.
Doing night shift.
Night shift and day shift and holiday shift. Yeah.
Someone's got to do all the work.
Stat day shifts. Yeah.
All right. Awesome. Wrap up.
Yeah, I was waiting for your rap to come in.
Bro, I'm not a wordsmith.
I'm not a wordsmith. Get him, get him. Pachoo, 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 pachoo. Choo, choo. It's like a little Star Wars laser. Pachoo. Oh, shivers. There goes $20,000.